ini udah kita pulau.
So take one of you on. Go there. Hello everyone, this is Ephraim and today we are back with a new live stream, and we are going to start from the beginning, from the reception, and we are going to visit all the company and the machinists. We try to all part of the machinists to know and like to introduce for you guys. So we are starting here. As you can see, it is the reception over here, and when you enter like from the beginning, this is what you are seeing from the first floor. And over here we have a data for the machines that it being bought. So when you see here, it is like for last month there's for the flooring service 3% that it has been sold, 17% for spraying, 25% for the house office furnitures, and 8% for doors. It has been analyzed like this, and which part it has been sold. This one is actually it is for China, so normally there is for part has been sold also. This is over here from the data we have tried to show it. So come this way, and on this side we have a lot of awards from different places that it has been taken. So when you see side over this side, there's a lot of awards, different type of, from the government, from the city, from the from the industries, from different industries, from different type of industries, and also from the province that it has been given. Come. So this one over here, it is for the Foshan city that it has been awarded by the Foshan. And over here we have AEO also. There's the AEO Advanced Award, certificate. And over here also it is for the New Innovation, Advanced New Innovation awards. And over here also there's a lot of certificates like CE, environmental management system certificate, occupational for health and safety management system certificate. These all certificates are taken by the company. And also the quality management system certificate, there is for CE certificate. All types of certificates are over here. So let's continue our visit. So this company normally it has two brands, Purete and Houghty. For this Purete, normally now we are visiting the one we are visiting, it is Purete. Purete it 60. Houghty it is in another place, and our manufacturer has four major manufacturing products. Global Agent conference in here, like before a few days ago, like 2-3 days ago. So that's why we prepared this one. Is for the Global Agent conference. And also over here there's a lot of flags from different countries. The agent is the one who came. So I have said that we have four major type of products here. In each major, it has a lot of type of machines. And First, I want to show you. In our company, we have 6 workshops, and 3, as you can see it, show there. This side there's 3 workshops, and on the other side 3 workshops. You can show them there. Yeah, yeah. On the left side and on the right side, there's 3 workshops, and so we are individual. Every workshop has their own manufacturing or products there is, and we are going to see each and every workshop. So over here, this is the second workshop, and this second workshop is for the base materials, where we make the base materials. So there's a lot of CNC intelligent machines inside here. As you can see over here, follow my hand. On the right side there is a CNC precision making machine. There's over here, and on my left side over here, there's for the base materials for all kind of machines are welding over this side. So these ones are all the you can see the product is by the CNC precision machine. So and over here there's it is for the roller products, different type of roller products, like for the steel, for the doors, or the one we call it for the gluing machine, the one we call it the ceramic roller, the application roller, the silicon roller, all type of rollers. This is what we are making by ourselves. We don't take it from another production, another factory or something like that. It is by our people that is making all kind of rollers. So let's continue. So as I told you, from the 4 majors, those 4 majors, it is the roller coating, the flat, for the roller coating, for the flat laminating, for the flat spraying, and for the short cycle for press machine. So normally the roller coating, if we say the roller coating machine, there's different type for the coating. For example, like the curtain coating, head coating, roller coating by itself, excimer, those all type of roller coating. It has been included in 1 major, and if we say the second major, it will be the flat laminating. So the flat laminating, it can include other type of machines. So over here, first let me show here. It is a data for the machines that has been produced, and right now there's 98 orders here, as you can see it, and from different cities, like from China, from different cities, also from different countries. For example, we can see here Mexico, Anhui. These ones are China, from the China city. There's India, there's Algeria, there's India again, Shanghai, there's USA here, there's India again, there's Vietnam, there's Russia, there is Ethiopia, there's Pakistan. So from different countries, the orders now, the one which is in the company, and this one's the type of the machines, like the roller coating, there's the spraying, wrapping machine, those all the type of the machines which has been ordered. And this one is here 1136. It means there's a machine which is ordered in the product, there's in the production line this kind this all machines, and uh, here for example, if when we enter like that, we can see the order for the customers, everything for the from the customers, the customizes everything. The we can see it here, we can enter and see it here. So this one is for the data for the every month, for every production that has been ordered in the factory, in the manufacturer here. So here by the way, now we are in the first workshop. Sorry for I didn't say that. We have the first one, the second workshop we have seen, it is for the base materials, and this one is the first the first workshop. And in the first workshop we can see the short cycle hot press laminating machine. This one is for the short cycle hot press laminating machine. And this order, this all machines, by the way, it has the one which is ordered from different places. That's why we are it is here. So this one, for example, it is for the India, it goes to India. So this short cycle hot press laminating machine has different sizes. It can be customized based on the customer's requirements, like 1,600 tons, 2,400, 2,800, 2,700. It can be customized. It can go, even it can go to until 4,700 tons. That is based on the customer's requirement. So this all the one you are seeing here, it is for ordered from different countries. This one is, for example, it is Afghanistan. The order is from Afghanistan. Okay. You can show on the other side. So this is, as I told you, it is for the short cycle hot press laminating machine, and this one is data for according to the customer's requirement, the one it has been made, everything. And over here it is the control system for the short cycle hot press laminating machine. It is the the control system over here. Different type of brands. This one, there's like Siemens and like other Chinese brands. It's based on the customer's requirement that it will be made. Okay. So for this one, normally this one, how many tons? This one is 4,900 tons, which is customized. And this, by the way, there's two types: short cycle plus laminating machine. It can be customized, like vertical and horizontal. But for our company, normally the standard one, it is horizontal. This is the one you are seeing. And when it's the vertical, the machine will start rotating like that, and for the borders, it can enter in the vertical size. So over here there's a cylindrical type for the cooling, for the heating, everything. And what makes us special sometimes, this is as you can see, these places, this one is for the safety. When we are changing the plates, we can just close the machine over here, and we can change our plate over there, so there will not be a problem or accident. Okay, on this side. So this workshop, normally there's the short cycle for press laminate. I've seen it, and also there's for the loading and systems on this side. for the loading and unloading system over here. There's different type of, like the sponge loading and unloading, cap suction type of loading and unloading. If we say cap suction, also sometimes it can be customized, the size of the suction for, or the cap, like 80, 100, 150 millimeter, it can be customized. And after the loading and unloading system, over here we have the spraying machine. So from the 4 majors I have mentioned, there's a spraying machine, if you remember. And for those spraying machine, there's different type of spraying machines. For different type spraying machines, like the reciprocating, the 5-axis or CNC intelligent, the one we call CNC intelligent, and the hanging electrostatic machine, also spraying machine. So those different type of spraying machine we can make. And as you can see, this workshop, this side over here, it is all for the spraying machines. Oh, and I was showing you for the short cycle 4-press laminate machine over there. That short cycle 4-press, it is only the hot press machine, and with the in-feed and out-feed tray, right? So now I'm going to show you the fully automatic short cycle hot press, how it looks like. So we start from the beginning, and let's see how it looks like, the fully production of the fully automatic short cycle hot press machine. Anyways, this one, it has been testing and finished to be tested, and it is going to shift. So they are taking off some of the machinists, so it is not like the fully machine. And anyways, to start over here, there's 2 tables of for the paper laying device. And as you can see, there's a paper laying device over here, so it can take a single paper, melamine paper, a single one, it can take out and put it on the in-feed trolley or on the in-feed table. It can take it out there. And over here there's a workbench, and also the next one, it is the lifting or the elevating platform, the one that can lift it and lift the bodies and take on the same level, with the same height, with the double-sided desk cleaning system. So this one is for the workbench, for stocking the base materials. We can bring the bodies with the forklift, by the forklift, and we can put it here. We can stock it here. After we stocking, it can by the conveyor, it will take it to the elevating platform. Then the elevating platform, it will take it up, double-sided desk cleaning system. There is over there is a double-sided desk cleaning system. Then after it cleans the board, it will take it to the aligning table over there, and there is for the loading there. And the loading, it can take the loading country, it can take out the board and directly put it on the in-feed trolley over here, or the in-feed table. And those by the laying up, paper laying up device, it will take up, it will cover the board by the papers, and directly it will feed it to the short cycle pressing machine. And this one, the in-feed trolley, it is normally, it is inclined. It has been inclined. When it's made, it is inclined. Why did we make it inclined? Is because of the down or the bottom paper. When feeds the bottom paper to the hot press, it will not scratch it. So that is why we made it to be inclined. And this press machine, it is normally 2,400 ton. But of course, I have said it can be customized before with different different pressures. So normally when it presses this one, it presses the laminating paper with the board with a certain heat or temperature. The certain temperature, the one we call certain temperature, it can be from 180 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius. That will affect the speed also. The speed, it will be based on the heat we are adjusting. We can adjust it, so the heat the will it will be based on the so normally there's a mold temperature controller over there. The mold so this mold temperature controller,
Just you need to say main function. No need to explain all details.
you need to take time. So this mode temperature controller, it controls the for the heat. So normally this one, it is from 220 to 240 degrees Celsius. It can heat the fluid. Then by the circulation system, you can see the line over there. By the circulation system, it will send it to the heat to the hot press. And the circulation system, why we need it, it is to adjust this a certain heat. So this circulation system, it will adjust the certain heat and will spread to the hot press over here. And here I mentioned that we have two type of hot press, like the vertical and short cycle. So this is normally the how it looks like vertical short cycle press. Normally much orders, so there's no machine over in the factory or in the manufacturer. And this is the one which is the standard one. Since the one you saw, this is the standard machine, the one we use, the short cycle. So after the hot press, it will take out by the outfeeding trolley. Then it takes the board to the 8H. This is the 8H trimming machine. It's to clean the borders directly. When it comes out from the hot press, then it cleans it, it trims all the edges, the 8 edges. Then after it comes out over here, we have the flipping machine. And this flipping machine normally has 3 modes. And the first mode, it is no flipping. Directly it will pass it. We are the one we can adjust. We can adjust it without flipping to pass the board. And the second one, it is on and off. On and off, when I say on and off, is it can when the first board comes, it can flip it, and when the second one board comes, it can pass it without flipping, and the third one flipping, the first one not flipping, like that. One flip and one off. It can be like that. We can adjust it like that. And the third mode is continuously flipping. The one we call it continuously flipping, it is directly flipping without stopping. Then after we flip here, there's a double-sided dust cleaning system over here. So this one, we clean directly the board over here, and after we clean here, there's elevating platform again. We have here elevating platform again. Why do we need elevating platform? Because of the head. As you can see, the dust removal head is down over here, right? And the second machine, you can see the head, it is up, so it cannot be leveled, right? So to level it, we need elevating platform here. So that's why we need elevating platform over here. When the board comes, it goes up by itself with the same height of the second machine, the next machine. Then it feeds it directly to the next machine. And this is the next machine over here. We have the AI visual inspection machine. This AI visual inspection machine is to inspect the board. Like which is defected and the pure borders. It is to inspect over here. We can inspect directly over here. After we inspect, of course, from the unloading system, it will separate it, like the defected borders and the one which is pure borders. It will separate it directly. Anyways, after inspect here, it will take it directly to the cooling system. Here we have the cooling system. Normally this cooling system, it has been installed with 8 fans inside. 8 fans inside. And for the borders, how many, there's a lot of people who is asking that how many borders can take. This one, it can be customized, guys. It is based on your requirement. It can be the standard one. If you are asking for the standard one is 32 borders. It can take 32 borders, but it can be customized. It can be 40, 50. That is your requirement. So then after the cooling system over here, it will take it to the aligning conveyor. This aligning conveyor, why do we need aligning conveyor here? It is unloading gantry. Unloading gantry, it will take it to bring it directly here. It will stop it. So it needs to be stopped to unload it, right? So after we stopped it with by the align system, it will take it, the unloading system, it will take the board and directly it will put it to the workbench over here for the stocking. And as I told you, the inspection system, it will inspect like the defected and the pure one. This is where it is going to separate. So the defected one, it will put it on this side, and the inspected one, the pure one, it will stock it over there. And by the forklift, we can take it out directly. That is how it works. So this is the fully automatic, the fully system. And over here we have a screen, of course. This screen, what it's going to explain for us is this one, for example, 0 is a daily production, a daily manufactured borders. How many borders that it has been product? That is how it is going. It explains 0. And this one, the second one, 504 or 504 is for per month. How many borders that we have laminated? That is what is this one, 2163. It is per year. How many borders that we have laminated? It's not, by the way, don't mistake us here. It is not like how many borders it can laminate the machine. Not like that. This one is how many borders we have laminated by the machine. That is what it explains. It is for the customer's convenience. It is for the customer's convenience. And this one, 99% here. We have here 99%. What it explains is 99% pure borders that has been laminated. So it means 90 in this for the 100%, it is only 1% which is defected. That is what it explains. This is the screen, how it explains. So I think in this workshop we have said a lot about the short cycle press, the spraying system. This, you see, you can see it here. This with the melamine paper, which is laminated by this machine. Yeah, you can see the. You can see a type of the melamine paper over here. Also, you can see here. So now we go to the next workshop, and the next workshop is going to be the third workshop. So from the 4 base materials, from the 4 base products over here, as I told you, I have already said about the roller coating. I have said about the roller coating and about the short cycle. So the other two, it is the flat laminating and the spraying. Also, of course, about the spraying also I have said. And now what we have left, it is the laminating. So for the laminating, about the PUR laminating, if we say there's PUR laminating and flat the pure flat laminating machine and the wrapping machine. So you can press this. So for the flat laminating, so there's the pure flat laminating, and that one also there's for the wrapping. And we are going to see what kind of wrapping machine do we have, and what kind of pure laminating machine do we have. That one we are going to see in other workshops. So now in the third workshop, we are going to see the third workshop. So now we are in the third workshop, and in the third workshop, what do we produce? That's the question. It has been seen, right? So in the third workshop, it is we produce or we manufacture the roller coating machine and the pure laminating machine. That is what we have. That's what we produce. So for the roller coating, on this side, on my right side, there's the roller coating, and this roller coating has different sizes. It can be customized. Don't you should not say that only this is the one you are seeing on my right side. It can be customized for the flooring, for everything. It can be customized with different sizes, 200 even to 2200 millimeter. We can make it. And if you need also, of course, the small size, of course it can be made. So there's different type of sizes, and also of course I have said that there's two type of brands. We have two brands, right? This is the Houghty one. Since the one we are seeing, it is the Purete one, the Purete brand. This is for the Houghty brand. So of course this roller coating, by the way, it can be customized based on the customer's requirement. And of course we can give you, of course, also according to the product you want. What kind of product do you want? What kind of production do you want? Of course, we will give you the perfect one, the perfect production line by according to your requirement. So this one is, this side I have said is for the roller coating. When I say roller coating, it is for the production line, not only the roller coating. So including this one, you can see this one is for the brushing. So this one is also part of the roller coating production. So we produce it on this side. Also, of course, on the other side, there's for the IR heating, the air jet. Yeah, for the air jet oven, those production are on the other side. And this side I didn't explain since. So this one is for the pure laminating. This production, this side, it is for the pure laminating. Pure laminating, if we say for pure laminating, there's a single roller and double roller. According, of course, this one is according to what kind of production you make. It can be installed, and of course this one also, it can be customized. Of course, there's a lot of optional machines that we can add, like the racking for the hanging, all for the air shaft, and on the other side also there is for the gluing system. Also gluing system, it is for the pure laminating production line. Of course, it cannot go separately. The pure laminating and the gluing system, it cannot go separately. Of course, it's together. It has to be together, right? So there's a gluing machine over there, and I think we can see Yeah, and but it is for the motors, batteries also can be we can adjust it according to the customer's requirement, like Siemens or other brands. What kind of brand do you want? Can customize it. So over here we have the for the gluing. Said we have the this is the machine. Yeah, and okay, this one has three rollers. Those one is Those one is of we'll explain it in the experience room. But the batteries, as you can see, this one is for Siemens and other brands also for like for Chinese brands, other Hong Kong brands, something like that. We can it can be adjusted. So this one, by the way, now it is they are trying it. They are trying the machine. So they are still installing it, by the way. So now we are going to enter in the experience room or in the demo room, and from here my friend is going to take it the live stream and is going to explain everything very well, I'm sure. So Sadi,
I'm sick. Welcome to our live channel. Now I'm going to show you our experience room. Experience room experience. I'll show you the step by step, one by one. Follow me. First, here is our roller coating production line. Roller coating production line. This is our experience room. The experience room for like make a sample for clients, checking the sample, testing the samples. So this one is our curtain coating. Include the roller coating machine. Curtain coating machine for what? Okay, you see the board. This is a high gloss board. This board made by our curtain coating machine. Okay. Okay. This curtain coating machine. This curtain machine has a 4 conveyor in total. 4 conveyor with the curtain coating machine. Okay. You see the board. This board MDA board. First you need to make the process primer like sanding, dust cleaning, putty, then UV curing, then again sanding, dust cleaning, then see the picture, then you need to this picture made by our digital machine. Then digital printing machine, then cellular by wet coating, then we can use the curtain coating for high gloss. This curtain coating like is a coating thickness like a per meter square 120 gram. You need to 120 gram. Then you need to eye heating for leveling, right? Okay, this is a high gloss. Also you can use like here is a particle board, plywood, it's a gloss, it's possible. Okay. Then okay. Then I am going to show you the wood veneer like a wood veneer process, soft touch, also super matte process. Okay, come here. You see that? But you can feel it, but yeah, the of course is standing like a soft touch. Okay, this is wood veneer process. Okay, so I need to explain step by step our this one is our putty machine, putty or filling machine. Then primer for then single roller for primer, then single roller. This one is our experience room. Here is not a full production line. Here is a separate like this production line. You can make it many types of board like solid color, for transparent primer, for top coat, possible. Okay, come. This one. This one is a double roller coater. Double roller coater, forward and reverse. You see that here, forward and reverse process. We can use this. Okay. Here's a small, right? A small roller, but we can customize because this is our experience room. That's why here's our small sizes machines. We can customize as a customer requirements. Okay, like come here. This is a belt conveyor. Here's also this small belt conveyor. Then three lamp UV curing. Three lamp UV curing for instantly curate. Like you get the UV coating. Okay, after the UV curing, you can package the product and send to the customer instantly. Only 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, come. This is here is a triple roller coater. Then double roller coater. Okay, this is our this is our eye heating machine. Okay, here is our pre-curing, two lamp pre-curing machine. Same, but this is a, okay. This one is our nitrogen examer. Of course, in make sure before the nitrogen examer pre-curing machine, nitrogen examer for what? This one is a 72 nanometer nitrogen examer. Nitrogen examer for like soft touch, like it's resistance, like a scratch resistance, like a mat, super mat. Also, we can use the like a super mat. Okay, okay. Here is a nitrogen. Yeah, 172 nanometer. Okay. Now, this is our digital printing machine. Print by this machine like any picture and scenery. You can print the picture surface on the board. You can use the board like metal, glass also is possible. Okay, come. Okay. Okay, this is our wrapping. This is a profile wrapping. We have a profile wrapping machine, also panel wrapping machine. Here is our profile wrapping machine. This is our experience room. That's why here is our only one sample here. So come. Okay, this is our profile wrapping machine with the glue melter. There's a glue melter for glue molten, right? Hot molten. Okay. Okay. See the here is a process like a glue tray, glue scraper. Is like a ear shape for roll, film roll. Okay. So heat gun. Okay, we can use here substrate like PVC, PVC. So we can use WPC. Also, we can use the material like a PVC foil, CPL, SPL. Okay, okay. I will show you the details our workshop for the wrapping machine. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you our lamination line. This is a very demandable production line. Okay. This one is only our T1 flat lamination production line. Also, we can provide fully automated lamination production line, semi-automated flat lamination production line. Okay, now I am show you our T1 short lamination production line is a manually loading. First you need to manually loading, then dust cleaning. You need to clean the board, right? Like MDF, like a plywood, like a particle. You need to clean the board. Also you need to use yes sanding. Sorry, yes sanding machine. Okay, sanding machine for what? Yeah, sanding machine for like smoothness or like a flatness, for flatness the surface. Why he has a three blower fan? Three blower fan for like clean the board. After the dust cleaning, you need to clean the board. Make sure the clean the board. So we need to use the blower fan. Like here is the yeah from the blower fan. Okay. This one is a preheating machine. Okay, preheating machine for what? Preheating machine like sometimes when will be a cold weather, like a temperature is very low, like 8 degree, 10 degree, you need to the preheating machine. You see, inside the light, the morning time, you need to be used preheating machine. Is like a noon time, or maybe it will be temperature is okay, you can stop this machine. Okay, this is a preheating machine. Okay, this one is sticky roller. Sticky roller for like after the preheating, uh, that roller surface on the board like the moisture, like a dust, collect the dust from the board. This roller. Okay, here is a lifting system. Okay, this is our gluing machine. Gluing machine with glue melter. Here is a glue melter. Okay, you see the inside. This machine is running. Gluing machine. Gluing machine three roller. Number one, dose roller or doctor roller, application roller, and ceramic roller or smoothing roller. We can call this or leveling roller. Okay. Here, you see here is like a crane, changing crane, roller changing crane. It's a middle one. It's an application roller. This roller is a rubber. You see the rubber. You need to roller like after 2 or 3 months later, or 5 or 6 months later. It depends on your production, everyday production. So you need to change the roller. You need to change the roller. So how can we? How many people you need to change the roller? I say only one people can possible. That here is a one trolley. That here is a one trolley and one person can possible is easily move the roller and change the roller. But without this crane, you need to 2 or 3 people for changing the roller, and you need to time to almost at least 2 hours. But with this crane, only one person, 30 to 35 for you. Okay, okay, and here is a here is a heating oil tank from the pipe inside the heating oil. That's why the heating system, right? Okay, also here is a dovetail system, dovetail guards. Also we can customize like a linear guard is possible. Okay, here is a controlling system. You see here is like a product thickness, make the product thickness, temperature, is all everything. Here is a like emergency button, folding. Okay, here is a Chinese, also here is English, also and the language. We can use here like components, like you can use Chinese premium brand is okay. You can use like your choice brand like Siemens Motors, PLC, Schneider is okay. We can customize it. We can customize the machine size. We can customize the S depends on. Okay. The featured station for sheet material. Sheet material like HPL, acrylic, we for sheet material or sheet material station. Okay, like if you don't use the sheet material, you can remove this sheet fed station. Okay, okay. After the sheet fed station, here is our laminating machine or the pasting machine. Laminating machine. Okay, after the sheet feeding station, the boat is to here and automatically stop. Then two people manually, like for sheet material, laying the surface on the board or then is here. You see this one, right? Press here and then board goes to the laminating. Okay. Also here we can include the automatic system. This is our experience room. Here is a manually system. We can customize the automatic system you can use. Okay. Then here is a film. Okay, like here is a film, PVC film. We can use when we can use laminate by our PVC film, then we don't need to use the sheet fed station. Okay, you can use. Okay, okay. After the pasting, after the laminating, what comes to the unloading conveyor. This is a alignment conveyor. Here is our manually system, cutting manually system, long time manually cutting system, short side cutting system. We can add the like trimming machine, long side trimming machine, short side trimming machine, also flipping machine. Okay, this one is our okay. After the finished board, this is our finished board, MDF with PVC film. You see, it's a good finish, right? It's a good finishing. Of course, it's a good finishing. So you see the process. Okay. Also here, yeah, is on the board. Okay. The PET film. Okay. Now you need to know you can use like a substrate, MDF board, particle board, plywood, metal, PVC, plastic, ceramics. Also you can use for laminating by our machine. Also like a decorative material, right? Film like PVC, PET, PETZ, CPL, HPL, acrylic, paper, possible by our laminating machine. Also if you want to use fully automated automatic loading, automatic unloading, automatic flipping, automatic cutting, also is possible. Okay. Also like here is some sample here is laminating with MDF with PT PTZ is laminating MDF with leather. Is laminating. Also you can laminate by our machine like melamine board. It's possible. After the melamine, after the pasting melamine board, you can laminate by PVC, CPL, SPL, like a PETZ, PPP. Possible. We can customize our production line as your requirements. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to show you our another production line. Okay. Oh, sorry, I missed the one thing. This is our production line, flat lamination production line. You need to the speed, right? Per speed 3 to 25 minutes per meter. And and you need to the product thickness 3 to 50 millimeter. Okay. Our production line. This production line 3D print and embossing. 3D print and embossing. Okay, first we need to see the board. It's like a base material. So come here. Like this are basic or calcium silicate board. Like MDF, we need to make some process before like you need to this is a primer process done. Yes, like first you need to sanding, cleaning, put your fill the pinhole pore, then EB curing, then finishing, then white primer 2 times, then EB curing, then done. Make this process. Then we can start from here. Okay, this is a belt conveyor. It's a belt conveyor. Here is a belt conveyor, like is a belt. This is a PVC belt. You can use 3 millimeter, 2 millimeter as your requirements. We can do is okay. Also, these are structure, 18 millimeter thickness. Okay, these are machine. This is our no inside the room. Okay. EV guitar glue machine, right? Okay, okay. Oh, step by step. Okay. First one, EV glue paint. Glue paint for like 4 iron rivers. See, here is a 4 iron rivers. Okay. After the gluing, here is a center conveyor, center roller conveyor, right? You see, the center. Why is the center? Is a two side? You need to make sure the center. Put center. That's why we can call this a center roller conveyor. Then this one is our this one is our transfer printing machine. You see here the right, the film. Film already transfer the pattern surface on the board, right? So film transfer printing machine. After the UV gluing, then board comes to the inside the transfer printing machine. Then the transfer printing machine recycle set. Then transfer the print surface on the board from the film. You can use like many type of film, like wood grain, stone grain, like wood veneer, like okay. Now I'm showing you the some film there. It's many film here. Who can use? Finally, you can achieve that texture of. Okay, okay. After the transfer printing, a single conveyor, belt conveyor, then single roller by adhesive primer. This is single roller by adhesive primer. Why you need to use the adhesive primer? Adhesive primer for protect the print. You need to the adhesive primer, then UV curing, 2-lamp UV curing for half dry. You need to make sure the half dry by 2-lamp UV curing. Then belt conveyor. Then this one is our inner coating or top coat for top coat, double roller by top coat. Okay, inner coating by double roller, also we can call this top coat. Then this one our center roller conveyor. Then this one is our inner coating machine. Okay, okay, I missed one point, like transfer printing machine by 3D print. 3D print. This one is a 3D machine by 3D print. 3D print. This one is a 3D print. Then this is an inner coating machine by embossing. That's why we call this like inner coating machine by 3D print and embossing process. The transfer printing, this inner coating. Here's a film, right? You see here's a film, recyclable film. We can achieve from this machine like matte, super matte, high gloss, stone grain, wood grain. It's possible. It depends on the film. If you if you want to achieve the high gloss, you need to use the high gloss film. It depends on the film. If you want to achieve the like wood grain, you need to use the wood grain film. It depends. Okay, this one belt conveyor. Then here is a double roller for top coat. Then 3-lamp EB curing for fully dry. After the fully dry, you can pack the product and send to the customer. Is okay. Then here is our final finishing product. This one, it's a marble, right? It's a marble. This one made by our inert coating production line. 3D print and embossing system here. If you touch, you can feel it. It's embossing. Yeah, it's a veneer. Also this one made by our inert coating production line. 3D printing and also this one also. This one like a stone. Also possible. This one like a high gloss is possible. Just you need to use the high gloss film. Then you will get the high gloss effect. Okay. Okay, now finally, now I am going to show you our spray painting machine. We have a like three type of spray painting machine, like a reciprocating robot spray machine, CNC 5-axis spray painting machine. Now I am going to show you the reciprocating spraying machine. Then I will show you our another spraying machine. Okay. Here first here is the automatic scanning system. First loading, then automatic scanning system. Just one time scanning the bolt, then automatic spraying the pot, the 8 guns. Also you can use here the 4 guns is okay. We can customize. Also we can customize the like the this house, right? We can customize it small, is bigger, is okay. It depends on you. It depends on your product. Okay. You can use like PU paint, UV paint, water-based paint. Oh, you can use. Okay. Also you can use. Here is a 4-gun 2-arm, right? 4-gun 2-arm. Also you can use. Sorry, 8-gun here. You can use 4-gun. Is okay for you. It depends up to you. Okay. This one. Here's a pneumatic buttons, air bend, air suction system. Also here's the automatic cleaning system. This production line speed 3 to 10 millimeter. 3 to 10 meter per minute. Okay. Like. Sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. Like a gun. You can use like a. Here is a Wagner. You see this is a Wagner gun, right? Wagner gun. You can use like Chinese premium brand like Minli from Japan, Iwata from Japan, also Taiwan brand. You can use. We can customize. This is automatic cleaning system. Here's a pump, right? Is a Kremlin from France. Wagner also. Also you can use like Japanese brand, like Taiwan brand, also Chinese brand is possible. We can customize for you. Okay. After the reciprocating, like if you want to use UV paint for high gloss, okay, then this eye heating oven. Here's only 6 meter, right? But you need to use 12 meter, 24 meter. It depends on you, on your product, on your coating thickness. Okay. This eye heating machine has a 3 function. Mostly used for the leveling function. This eye heating function, preheating function, drying function, also leveling function. So when we can use the like a UV paint, we need to use the leveling function. Okay. After the eye heating machine, this is a ERJ oven. When you need to the like a PU paint, you need to use the ERZ oven for drying. Okay, here is some samples. You see some samples here, done by our machine. The samples, 5 side, 4 edges and top side. Also here is like a drop system, right? Okay. Come. Here's some samples. Don't touch. Calcium, silicate. This one. You see the process? This process by our It is service recording machine. This is cement board. This one is cement board. This one calcium silicate board. Silicate board is like a spraying. Is like a, you can achieve the like a matte, super matte, high gloss is possible. Okay. This one is a nano eczema. This one is a nano. Also, there was a nano eczema. This nano eczema, 256 nanometer nano eczema. We can use by like a soft touch effect, like space resistance effect. Okay. Okay. If you want to use it, okay. You also, if you want to remove this two machines, okay, no problem. You can. Okay. Finally, this one is a 6 lamp EV curing machine. From beginning part, when you want to use like EV coating, must you need to 6 lamp EV curing machine. Why you need to 6 lamp EV curing machine? The spraying, like, right, 2 arm and 8 guns is spraying the surface on the board, right? Like when the spray surface on the board, not only is spraying the surface on the board, for edges and top. Also, it's possibility the bottom is possible, like some paint, right? Then you need to the 6 lamp EV curing inside the light top and the side. So you need to you need to cure it by one time. You need the 6 lamp EV curing like five side, one top and 4 edges. Okay, this is our reciprocating spraying machine. Okay, now we are going to our another machine zone. বলবেন? Okay, now going to another machine zone. Okay, here is our wrapping machine zone. My right side and my left side. And my left side, here is our like a separate EV curing machine. Okay, here is our wrapping machine zone. Here is our profile wrapping machine. Also, we have our panel wrapping machine. It's a profile wrapping machine. It's also we can customize. It depends on your product or a substrate. You see, this is a glue melter. Of course, you need to glue melter with the wrapping machine. A wrapping machine, come here. First, you need to make sure this wheel, make sure the subset direction. This wheel, and here is a brush. You need to make sure the clean surface on the board. So you need to the brush. Also, we can call this dust cleaner. Then one blower fan for cleaning the dust. Then here is a preheating light. You need to make sure the smoothness is for. Here is a preheating light. Then here is a glue scraper, right? Here is a glue scraper. This one is a glue melter machine. From the glue melter machine comes to the glue. Here is a glue scraper. Then glue scraper applicator onto the glue spraying to the film surface. Then laminating. Then laminating system. Here is a air shaft. Also, we can use like a 2 air shaft for like if you want to use like a PVC foil here. Then this roll is finished, right? You need to use another film. So you can use this one for quickly changing or for quickly production.
We use wrapping for what? For doors, windows.
Okay. Now, here is a changing section, right? Is a changing section. Like if you want to anytime, if you want to change the frame, like this model you have done, you need to change this model. If you want to like change this model is manually change this model, you need to time 4 or 5 hours. So you don't need to changing by manually. This model you have done, you need to change just here.
And we have how many types?
Here. Then you can change the body. Then you can place another one. Also here is a heat gun option here. Here is a plug, heat gun plug, right? Okay.
We have how many types? This one, two types.
Yeah, of course, two types. Okay, this this body we have a two types. I'll show you later. Okay, let's go.
Sadi, there's no much time, so name point.
Okay, okay,
One after the next.
okay. Come. Here's our profile wrapping machine.
The other type.
Also, this one is our profile wrapping machine. Okay, yeah, yeah. That one the change need to this whole body, right? But this one only change the is a frame. Is the first frame, right?
Yeah, by
It's
forklift.
possible.
By
It's
forklift.
also has a forklift. Of course, you need to the change to the not manually forklift system. One man by forklift. Here is the forklift system. You changing the very easily. Then and place the here and fixed it. Then you going to the production. Okay, okay.
We can come behind your panel software. You can say that we have got the panel software like this.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, come. Okay, that one is our wrapping machine, like profile. Also, our panel wrapping machine also have. If you want to use like as your requirements, we can customize.
What are their sizes? The size of the profile wrapping and the panel wrapping.
Yes, yes.
The size. What are the sizes?
33, 44, and 6, 126.
Oh, okay. Our machine size is a profile 33, right, and 46, right? Sorry, 45, and our panel 66 and 126. Okay. Okay, this one our EV curing machine zone. Okay, come. Here's the EV curing. Our and the brand is the house brand. The house brand EV curing. Uh, like here's the 4 EV curing, 6 lamp EV curing, 2 lamp EV curing, as depends on your production. As depends on your like coating, depends on your production. These are our house brands. My colleagues already told you that our we have two brands. One is Hout, one is Purete. Hout is another brand. That one is location is Hubei province. Okay. Okay, here. Here is the 3 lamp EV curing. These are our Purite brand. 3 lamp EV curing of fully dry. First one is gallium. Next one is mercury. Like I think the gallium wavelength and mercury wavelength. As 2 lamps. 2 lamps. Here is also here. Is like there is our roller conveyor, belt conveyor, dust cleaner, all like we have a separate machine zone, like a laminating machine zone, wrapping machine zone, flood lamination machine zone, short cycle hot press machine zone, roller conveyor machine zone, EB curing machine zone, a separate zone. Okay, okay. Now we're going to end the workshop. Okay, follow me. Okay, you see here is a belt conveyor, right? Belt conveyor. Here's our machine. Say, okay, one more thing. You need to know our structure. This structure is, of course, is a good structure. This standard one. Okay, yeah. Like if you want to customize the any like our machines, our rollers, our any like our production line, you can customize. It's okay, no problem. Okay, okay, okay. Now we are going to end the workshop. Please come. এটা আমার কি জানি, এটা আমাদের কি জানি
6 number workshop.
আর কি বলা যায়?
Testing zone. So you will continue? Continue. Also, okay. If it is like that, only 8 minutes. So you, there's no time like to explain the lower things. Just 78 almost. Yeah. So we only have like 18, 17 minutes. So we just explain like the names. Like,
Okay. Okay, these are our workshop number 6. Firstly, we said to the we have a workshop number 6 workshop and 2 office. This is our last workshop, workshop number 6. Now I'm going to show you our some full production line. Here is some samples, some production line. This one is production line, our house brand production line. Okay. Okay. This one is laminating production line. Here's a separate zone like a roller coating, like a wood product, laminating, pure laminating, multi-application. It's like a spraying, like a substrate, stick, metal, wood, soil. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to our one production line, one full production line, T3 production, T3 flat lamination production line. Okay. My left side, this production line is our house brand. Also, this one is a good. Yeah, of course, this one is these are printing line. Okay, by this product made by our digital printing machine, digital printing production line. It's a good finish and good effective finish. So, okay, come. Okay, there are some samples. Yeah, here's some samples. Some samples. This one, 3D print and embossing by our inert coating production line. Okay, this one for high gloss laminating. Here's our short cycle pressing line, automatic. This is for decoration. Okay, now I'm going to show you our fully automated flat lamination product. This I think this is a loading system and board, then conveyor, roller conveyor. Then here is a octagonal chamfering machine. Why you need to octagonal chamfering machine? Because when you need to like you need to laminate for melamine board, octagonal chamfering machine. Like you need to use MDF by PVC, you need to octagonal chamfering machine. Then a sanding machine for the surface on the board. Okay, the sanding machine. Okay, then this is a double-sided micro dust cleaner, top and bottom side for top and bottom with 3 blower fan. This one is a preheating machine. Preheating machine for what? When is the temperature is very low, you need to make sure the smoothness. You need to use the preheating machine. Temperature is okay. You don't remove. You can remove the preheating machine. Then sticky roller. Then this one is a gluing machine. Gluing machine with the glue melter. Here 3 roller, Dr. roller, application roller, and a ceramic roller for labeling or smoothing. Also here the changing system, automatic changing system easily. Then sheet fed station, laminating machine. Already I explained this production line, but that one is a fully automated 313. Is like This one long side trimming machine, right? Long side trimming machine. Thicker nice cutting machine also. Okay. This one is a short side trimming, and this one is a flipping machine. Flip it by face 180, right? Is a flipping machine. Okay. Then this is an unloading machine. Yeah, the unloading machine for automatic unloading machine. That one is a T3 laminating machine. Also, we can produce fully automated, semi-automated. Depends up to you. Okay. I think already I showed you our roller coating, laminating, inert coating. Now I'm going to show you our spray painting. Like only I showed you only reciprocating. Now I'm going to show you our robot spray paint. Uh, CNC 5-axis spray painting. Let's go. Okay. Okay. After place the order, then we're making the production line here. Then you will come to our company and here. It will be okay. Then we'll shift. Okay. Here's the features: CNC intelligent spraying production line, recyclable inert coating production line. Okay. 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 Now I'm going to show you our 5-axis CNC intelligent spraying machine. You see, here is a door, right? You can spring the door also like a small pieces like a cabinet door, like a bathroom vanities, like a small pieces, unfit small pieces product. Is it? You need to know the main function this machine, right? Here is a 3D scanning eyes. Only one time is scanning the board, then automatically is spraying the pot. So only one time is spraying the pot, then automatically spraying the pot, then spray. Okay. Okay. Yeah. CNC intelligent spraying machine. That machine using thickness 1 to 10 or 1 to 100 millimeter. Speed of gun moved 0 to 1600 millimeter per second. Right. Like spray. Like you can use based and PU paint. Okay. Okay. Then this one is our robot spray. Like you can use like a door, also door, bathroom vanities, cabinet doors, also small unfitted substrate like here you see here is like also you can use the bending process like a bending or carb work pieces. Also he has a 3D scanning eye. Just scan the one time, then automatically is spraying the path. Okay. I think 5-axis CNC intelligent spraying and robot spraying is similar, right? Okay. Okay. This one processing thickness 10 to 100 millimeter, running speed 0 to 1800 millimeter per second, and you can use like a water based and PU paint. Okay. Finally, this one is a robot spray here. This one is a robot intelligent PURETE brand. You see, here is a chair. Like you can use the chair spraying. First, you need to use this gun. You need to follow the movement, right? Yeah, move. Then the robot automatically spraying to your path. In total, like a shape, this like is rotary. Yeah, these are spraying system. Okay. Okay, here's our profile wrapping machine. Also, here's a electrostatic spraying. machine. Also here's a roller coating production for water-based paint. Water-based paint. ফিনিশ করে দিব, শেষ করে দিব, সামনে ধরে শেষ করে দিব। হ্যাঁ? Okay, this is our short cycle hot press production line. Already I showed you. Also there is a roller coating line. Okay. Yeah. Okay, come. Okay, this is the unloading system. This is okay. Okay, that's our whole production line, and this is our last workshop, 6 number workshop. Here is our production line. Flood lamination, spraying, roller coating, wrapping, electrostatic, overhead hanging, spraying, robotic spray. Okay. If you interested, or if you want to know more information about our product, our production line, or anything about our company, please contact to me and contact our company website, and come to our company for visit. We are waiting you. Bye bye.